Göbekli Tepe, dating back to around 10,000 BC, is often hailed as the world's first temple. Imagine a time when humanity was just beginning to transition from nomadic hunter-gatherers to settled agricultural societies. This site, with its massive stone pillars intricately carved with animals, suggests that our ancestors were not only skilled builders but also deeply spiritual. What's fascinating is that these structures predate Stonehenge and the pyramids by thousands of years. The sheer scale and complexity of Göbekli Tepe challenge our understanding of early human civilization. It raises questions. Did these ancient people gather for rituals? Were they worshipping deities or the forces of nature? The craftsmanship displayed in the T-shaped pillars indicates a level of social organization and cooperation that was previously thought to be impossible at this stage of human development. Göbekli Tepe isn't just a temple, it's a monumental testament to the dawn of human spirituality and community. It invites us to rethink the origins of civilization itself. Hidden beneath the rolling hills of modern-day Turkey lies Göbekli Tepe, a site that rewrites our understanding of human history. Dating back to 10,000 BC, this isn't just an ancient ruin, it's considered the world's first temple. Imagine massive stone pillars, intricately carved with mysterious symbols, standing tall long before the invention of writing or the wheel. What's astonishing is that this site predates agriculture, suggesting that our ancestors gathered for spiritual reasons rather than survival. Göbekli Tepe challenges the notion that organized religion emerged after settled societies. Instead, it hints at a complex social structure where community and spirituality intertwined, reshaping our view of early human civilization. This archaeological marvel invites us to rethink everything we thought we knew about our past. Göbekli Tepe is a remarkable site that challenges everything we thought we knew about early human civilization. Imagine this: it predates the Egyptian pyramids by over 7,000 years and Stonehenge by 6,000 years. What we have here isn't merely a collection of stones, it's a monumental narrative etched in time. These massive pillars, intricately carved with animals and symbols, suggest that our ancestors were not just hunter-gatherers but skilled artisans with complex social structures. This site hints at the possibility that religion and communal gatherings played a pivotal role in the development of society long before agriculture took root. Göbekli Tepe rewrites our understanding of human history, revealing that the foundations of civilization may have been built on spirituality and community rather than mere survival. In 1963, a team of archaeologists stumbled upon Göbekli Tepe, but it wasn't until the 1990s that its true importance came to light. Klaus Schmidt, a passionate German archaeologist, took the reins and began digging deeper. What he found was nothing short of revolutionary. This site, often dubbed the world's first temple, dates back over 11,000 years, predating Stonehenge by millennia. Massive stone pillars, intricately carved with animal motifs, revealed a complex society capable of monumental architecture long before the advent of agriculture. Each excavation layer told a story of human ingenuity and spirituality, reshaping our understanding of early civilization. Göbekli Tepe isn't just a site, it's a testament to humanity's quest for meaning and connection, challenging everything we thought we knew about our ancestors. Göbekli Tepe is famous for its large circular structures that contain massive stone pillars, among the world's oldest known megaliths. Many of these pillars are decorated with anthropomorphic details, clothing, and sculptural reliefs of wild animals, providing archaeologists rare insights into prehistoric religion and the particular iconography of the period. The 15 meters, 50 feet, high, 8 hectares, 20-acre tell is densely covered with ancient domestic structures and other small buildings, quarries, and stone-cut cisterns from the Neolithic, as well as some traces of activity from later periods. The site was first used at the dawn of the Southwest Asian Neolithic period, which marked the appearance of the oldest permanent human settlements anywhere in the world. Prehistorians link this Neolithic revolution to the advent of agriculture, but disagree on whether farming caused people to settle down or vice versa. Göbekli Tepe, a monumental complex built on the top of a rocky mountaintop, with no clear evidence of agricultural cultivation, has played a prominent role in this debate. Göbekli Tepe is located in the Taos Tepeler Stone Hills and the foothills of the Taurus Mountains. It overlooks the Heron Plain and the headwaters of the Balik River, a tributary of the Euphrates. The site is a tell, artificial mound on a flat limestone plateau. In the north, the plateau is connected to the neighboring mountains by a narrow promontory. In all other directions, the ridge descends steeply into slopes and steep cliffs. The climate of the area was warmer and wetter when Göbekli Tepe was occupied than it is today. The site was surrounded by an open steppe grassland with abundant wild cereals, including einkorn, wheat, and barley, and herds of grazing animals such as wild sheep, wild goats, gazelles, and equids. Large herds of goitered gazelles may have passed by the site in seasonal migrations. There is no evidence of substantial woodlands nearby. 90% of the charcoal recovered at the site was from pistachio or almond trees. Recent discoveries at Göbekli Tepe reveal a fascinating shift in our understanding of this ancient site. Instead of merely a sanctuary for nomadic tribes, evidence now points to a settlement with domestic structures, extensive cereal processing, and even a water supply. This suggests that people were not just passing through, they were living, working, and thriving here. The megalithic structures, often dubbed the world's first temples, remain enigmatic in purpose, yet their architecture hints at a complex society. These structures likely had roofs and show signs of regular collapse and repair, indicating a community deeply invested in their environment. Interestingly, the iconography and architectural style at Göbekli Tepe resonate with nearby sites like Karahan Tepe, suggesting a rich cultural tapestry in this region. This evolving narrative challenges our perceptions of early human civilization and its capacity for settlement and social organization. Radiocarbon dating reveals that the earliest structures at Göbekli Tepe date back to between 9500 and 9000 BCE, marking the end of the pre-pottery Neolithic A period. This site saw significant expansion in the early 9th millennium BCE and was actively used until around 8000 BCE. Interestingly, after the Neolithic structures were abandoned, smaller groups returned to live among the ruins, hinting at a deep connection to this sacred place. Initially, the dating faced challenges, with early samples suggesting a later timeline. However, innovative methods of dating organic material in the plaster led to a more accurate chronology. Ultimately, Göbekli Tepe stands as a testament to human ingenuity, with its timeline now firmly established between 9500 and 8000 BCE, bridging the late PPNA and early PPNB periods. The architecture of Göbekli Tepe is nothing short of miraculous. Each pillar was meticulously carved and transported without the use of wheels or beasts of burden. The site's construction raises a baffling question: how did a society without advanced tools or technology achieve such a monumental feat? The architecture of Göbekli Tepe is truly astonishing. Imagine this: massive stone pillars, each intricately carved, standing tall in the ancient landscape. What's remarkable is that these monumental structures were created by a society that lacked advanced tools and technology. No wheels, no beasts of burden, just sheer human ingenuity. How did they transport these colossal stones? How did they carve such detailed reliefs without modern machinery? This site challenges everything we thought we knew about early civilizations. It suggests that our ancestors possessed not only creativity but also a level of organization and collaboration that was far ahead of their time. Göbekli Tepe isn't just an archaeological site, it's a testament to the extraordinary capabilities of humanity. Imagine standing in a place that was once a vibrant ceremonial hub, not a home, but a sacred gathering spot. Göbekli Tepe, with its towering stone pillars, was likely a site for rituals, where ancient people came together to honor their deities and ancestors. There are no signs of cooking or daily living here. Instead, it's a canvas of spirituality and community. Each carving and structure tells a story of beliefs and practices that shaped their world. This wasn't just a place, it was a profound connection to the divine, a testament to humanity's early quest for meaning and connection. The carvings on the pillars are as enigmatic as the site itself. Depictions of fierce animals, lions, boars, snakes, and birds, suggest a deep spiritual or symbolic significance. Could these carvings represent myths, cosmology, or even warnings from the ancient builders? The carvings on these pillars are a fascinating puzzle, each one telling a story steeped in mystery. Look closely at the fierce lions, boars, snakes, and birds. Each creature likely holds a deeper meaning. These aren't just decorative elements, they could represent ancient myths or cosmological beliefs, perhaps even warnings from the builders themselves. Imagine the spiritual significance these animals held in their society. Were they guardians of the sacred space, or symbols of power and protection? The artistry invites us to ponder the connection between the physical and the spiritual, urging us to explore the beliefs that shaped this remarkable site. What messages are hidden in these intricate designs, waiting for us to decipher? Examining these intricate carvings, I'm struck by the sheer variety of symbols and animals. Each detail tells a story, revealing a profound connection between the builders and their environment. It's as if they were not just carving stone, but weaving their beliefs into the very fabric of this site. The presence of these motifs suggests a spiritual dimension to their lives, hinting at a worldview that sought to understand the cosmos. Göbekli Tepe stands as a testament to humanity's earliest attempts to grapple with existence, a place where the sacred and the earthly intertwine. This isn't just archaeology, it's a glimpse into the minds of our ancestors, striving to find their place in a vast and mysterious universe. Isn't it fascinating that Göbekli Tepe, this incredible archaeological wonder, was intentionally buried around 8000 BC? Imagine the ancient builders, with their monumental stone pillars and intricate carvings, choosing to entomb their creation. Why would they do that? It's a mystery that has puzzled historians for centuries. This deliberate act of preservation has allowed the site to remain remarkably intact for over 12,000 years. While many ancient structures have crumbled away, Göbekli Tepe stands as a testament to the ingenuity and intentions of its creators. What secrets lie beneath the earth, waiting to be uncovered? The legacy of Göbekli Tepe challenges our understanding of early civilization and continues to inspire awe and curiosity. At Göbekli Tepe, we witness a remarkable intersection of history and preservation. As archaeologists work tirelessly to protect this ancient site from the relentless forces of erosion and the pressures of tourism, we uncover layers of meaning that go beyond mere stones and carvings. The deliberate burial of these structures suggests a profound shift in beliefs, perhaps marking a symbolic closure of an era. This wasn't just a place of worship, it was a hub of community and culture, holding immense significance for those who built it. Each stone tells a story, and as we safeguard this treasure, we ensure that its legacy endures for generations to come. The past is not just a memory, it's a living narrative that continues to shape our understanding of humanity. As we continue to unearth the secrets of Göbekli Tepe, one thing becomes abundantly clear: this ancient site is more than just a marvel of engineering. It's a testament to the ingenuity, spirituality, and complexity of our ancestors. Göbekli Tepe stands as a timeless reminder of humanity's quest to connect with the divine and to leave an enduring legacy. This site, built over 11,000 years ago, challenges everything we thought we knew about early civilization. It's not just a collection of stones, it's a sacred space where spirituality and community intertwined. Each pillar tells a story, whispering secrets of rituals and beliefs that shaped humanity's understanding of the divine. Göbekli Tepe is a powerful reminder that our quest for meaning and legacy transcends time, urging us to reflect on our own place in this vast tapestry of existence. The journey of discovery continues.